that juicy monkey up there. I've been craving a monkey's heart for days. Bring it to me, my dear.
But how, my love? I can't climb trees.
Figure it out. I must have that monkey's heart.
Hello, Mr. Monkey. Those fruits look delicious. Could you spare some for me?
Hey, why should I share with you?
Because I know of an island nearby with even tastier fruits. Come with me and I'll show you. Enjoying the ride, Mr. Monkey?
Yes, hurry up. I want those fruits.
You won't be having any fruits, Monkey. You're my dinner.
Ha, ha, ha! You fell for it, you foolish crocodile. My heart is safe on the tree, and you've been outsmarted. Ha, ha, ha!
Oh, curse you, Monkey. I'll get you next time.